Gotharag me tanas tailan and varies. Though an drath a gath and sgwen al sparries. And osos a the Cornish and of moths. Tanskio tharana and talak badanagas. Menner and tiraner and neiti and nugas. Gotharag migdanas tailan and varies. Though andrath the gath and sgwen al sparries. And thrath a sust na cheer. Man bach a poachi. Poppy a bon adam ben. To love to and tha. Gotharag na tanas tailan and varies. Though andrath a gath pan sgwen al sparries.
Magan and diskin drawing harder than glan. Here and amo and sting. Marani space, Marlin, Uncle Well, and Sassy Fenes Highway. Mingisi Achtagris, Minsowe, and Ledan, Margatle, happy to the fellow. And we know that's all was Puscos. Look at all this skin, and you weave the travel.
Scarlet boats, reflections dance on the quiet water. Whispers of the weeping willow under dusk's soft glow. Ripples like liquid fire, fleeting beauty, time flows by. From the shadows of the banks I believe, where memories shimmer in crimson light to see. Mirror our dreams drifting softly on the twilight skies. I wanna see fleeting moments become timeless night. Dragonflies, they glide and sway across the surface. Old stone bridges, tales they hold of love at loss. Echoes in the air, carried softly, lingering past. From the shadows of the banks I believe, where memories shimmering crimson light. You see, mirror of dreams drifting softly on the twilight sky, as I wanna see where fleeting moments become timeless in the night. Floating through the twilight haze, each ripple tells a tale of moments lost and found again, in colors bright and pale. From the shadows of the banks, I believe, where memories shimmer in crimson light, you see, mirror of dreams.
Crimson strands in the sun, swaying softly where the tides run. In Portwrinkle's embrace, kelp dances with grace. Grace walk out, prelots walk and pair, lock low, all escalate. Looning, Portwrinkle is around. Steeds kan det dit bedre. Jeg er uten å burde vinne stedes. Eine CV, second to so. method. Host and light through Lavazuko with a method. Go in by wild brand and what in Casey Ola. And then the studies and can I see second to so. Second to in the warmth of summer's glow, ladybird dances soft and slow, red like the dawn that meets the day, nestled in blooms where shadows play, lower paths where time is still, golden stalks bend with the thrill. Oh my heart, it's a vibrant sight, beetles twirl neath the open light, such sweet moments of love unfold, nature's stories softly told. Soldier beetles on the prowl, amongst the yellow blooms they scowl, searching for warmth in the ocean breeze, bond they forge with such ease, harmony beneath the endless sky, in simple needs we too reply. Oh my heart, it's a vibrant sight, beetles twirl neath the open light, such sweet moments of love unfold, nature's story softly told. So let us learn from their embrace, in every joy a sacred space, in tiny lives our hearts connect, in love's embrace we all reflect. Oh my heart, it's a vibrant sight, beetles twirl neath the open light, such sweet moments of love unfold, nature's story softly told.
thoughts on my wings. Through flowers I glide, with joy and delight, yeah, the lovely sky. There is some wind on the wing, we've got well breeze blow, must hush in, bonnet, but in the kith. Just plotting 6 spots, where your feet flap on my wing. Lotus stare, flowers bright, weedy kin. Some more in soft sea, once of course, eyes in course, lie and sing, whispering song, has deep on the shore, lover forbidden seats at that deep, saxo some more, we feel what and kind, the linden and toss, and dropped over time, we do la feliz. Turn must house. Yen we gors in the plain hail fly, wet spots in our voice, but the nothing well. The weather clodion. My secret voice, I him love in the whole heart, and to get in the dawn, it's like the